Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, if you haven't seen the small account video that came out yesterday, I'll put a link for you in the description below. But what we're basically doing is trying to be transparent and trading as if we were working full time. Okay, which means no sitting in front of the charts and looking for opportunities. Okay, but anyway, you'll see the small account at the moment is sitting at 7,400. The currency is not really important because whatever broker you're using or whatever amount you've got on your account, whatever currency you've got, the rules are going to stay the same. Okay, but anyway, let's just start with what we can see on the daily. So the first thing that's concerning me at the moment is what this is looking a little bit like an exhaustion bar from Friday. So you can see we've had it before early in the month, nice solid rally, and then a bit of a pullback, and then another attempt. Okay, bear in mind that we are at all-time highs, so there is nothing really left to the left of us. Okay, the other thing that we could very well be looking at is a bit of it could be a wedge, but it could more in the mind that it's going to be a channel. Okay, so politicians are coming out with different bits of news over the weekend around the trade war, which I was expecting a bit of a higher gap, to be honest, and a gap up, not a gap down. But if we start working our way down, the trend is very much the upside. We are looking for longs, not at this level though. Okay, we're going to have to wait for some structure here before I look at a long there. But for now, just want to measure this measured move, see if it's played out. No, measured move hasn't played out yet. But what I must point out is the original measured moves that we had. I think this was the one. Okay, that played out. This consolidation played out. And this measured move pretty much played out as well. Okay, so it just shows you that the measured moves are pretty important. Right, just delete the noise. And to be honest with you, at the moment, I would expect a little bit more consolidation through the European Open. So I would put my levels in as follows. A nice deep pullback would be ideal, but I don't think we're going to get that. More than likely looking at 27,957. Problem is that risk is 150 points. So I don't really see anything at the moment. This inside bar, we're busy forming some kind of an inside bar as well. So I suspect we're going to have a bit of a pullback. Probably not much, or even a bit of consolidation today, being a Monday. But I'm looking for a deeper pullback, and that's where I'll be waiting for a long. Okay, so this level first, which is 27957, and then I'm looking at this level here, which is 27900. And to be honest, I think I'd rather be at 27900 than at this level here. There's nothing really else that's warning me of anything at this stage, and we'll switch across to Ichimoku now to see something there. I mean, if you actually look at the 12 minutes here, just do it from there. You have a bit of a flat top triangle forming. Okay, so there's two chains of thought here for me at the moment. So the first one is a pullback. I obviously prefer to see the pullback, and even if we turn this triangle into a range, that would be acceptable. And the next one would definitely be down at this area here. Okay, so that is my view at the moment. If I look at what's going on here, we've got a little bit of diversions, and I don't expect us to break through this now. Okay, not after hours. So maybe during the European session we may break to the upside, and if that does happen, then I'm looking to trade that long with a stop below the current low of today. Okay, and pretty much we'll get out of that trade before the US opens, and then wait for the open and then look for the next setup. Okay, so that's kind of the two options. There's either a pullback and off the bottom of the range, or alternatively even further deeper pullback, or on the break. And the break at the moment is going to be this fractal here. Okay, which is 2800. Okay, and now 2800 is obviously also the target that we were looking for last week, which got it right at the end of the day, or end of the week. Anyway, let's just switch across to the weekly, and not the weekly, but the Ichimoku. Okay, so looking at the 12-minute, everything is bullish at the moment. You should be looking for fractal breaks and trading to the upside. Difference is, it is pre-market during the Asian session, and I don't really like trading that session. And the other thing, if you're watching carefully, you'll see we've got a break of this trend line, and we're now testing that trend line. Okay, so I really would expect either consolidation or a pullback. Okay, now the pullback, let's just get those two levels off the hour. So we're looking for that one, or we're looking for that one. And come back to the 12. Right, so you can see this level here is off the cloud, and look at the size of the cloud here. So there's a lot of support here. So that would be a half decent area, and your stop would definitely be below this. Well, I'd extend it below this level here, below 27,900. Okay, that's a decent 100-point stop. If you look at the half hour, everything is bullish. Okay, following Tekinson at the moment with not too much hassle. The hour also pretty bullish. Price is fairly close to Kijison, Tekinson, so nothing really screaming out aloud there. And the 4 hour, the only thing that's really screaming out aloud at the moment is a distance from Kijison and Tekinson, but everything is still bullish. So I can still get a pullback all the way back to here, even down to the cloud here, and this trend would still be up. Okay, and the daily looking a little bit better, although we've got a flat Tekinson at the moment, but Kijison's catching up quite quickly. So everything is telling you the trend is to the upside. You want to be trading with the trend, and the only way you do that is by waiting for a pullback and getting in, or alternatively taking the break and having a wider stop loss. Okay, so that's my view for today. Really going to wait for the European Open to start with and then see what happens here. Okay, so I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.